Hi guys, here are all the books that I'm planning to read in the first month of 2026. Cat's Cradle by Kurt Vonnegut. I was really impressed by Kurt Vonnegut after I read Slaughterhouse 5, hence I got this book, Cat's Cradle. Now this is about a scientist who has created a lethal weapon which is capable of freezing the entire planet. We don't know where it is hidden and the search for it is driving everybody crazy. His writing style is really witty, full of satire. He's able to communicate really dark and deep things in a very subtle and a witty manner. I'm really looking forward to reading. This is Rendezvous with Rama by Arthur C. Clarke. Now, this book is about a celestial object that is coming close to Earth, and as it comes closer, the people realize that it is not a natural object but a man-made stuff. What happened when everybody is preparing to, intercept this object and see who has sent it and who are these people who have created this object? So, I think this is a first contact story, which is something that really loves. This is Master and Margarita by Mikhail Bulgakov, and I think this is considered the epitome of Russian literature. I think this is what inspired Dostoevsky in many of his writings. This is about a devil who visits Moscow on a spring afternoon. I think this book is fantasy, which is rooted in reality, and it depicts the real condition of people who were living in 1930s Moscow. Annie Bot by Sierra Greer. I think it's a book which is very relevant in the current times. This is about an AI companion and how she is learning and undergoing changes as she learns more about her master. In the course of things, I think she is becoming more human. I suspect that it might be a bit similar to Clara and the Sun by Kazuo Ishiguro, but I'm really looking forward to it. The last book that I'm planning to read this month is The Mina's Matchbox by Yoko Ogawa. Now, Yoko Ogawa is one of my favorite Japanese authors, and I have really read and enjoyed her previous books like The Housekeeper and the Professor. And I think this book is about a little girl who goes and spends some time with her aunt in a remote town in Japan. I think book covers the formative life of this girl and how she sees the world around her and how she interprets things. How is your January looking like? Which book are you most excited to read in this first month of 2026? Do let me know in the comments.